mala mdidian gue kedel cila data dalang kata dun kel kene cene ban ke yakalar mjidit anai kona ta kon karam meteka adis meteka Africa Union ve te kene de kona lat kamal dung sa Sudan awuda monga yana long wume ramongai ke long ke activist mdida long ka kwe malga kene de kona toga sa Sudan dian ramula right bolong latemwana lada ka dian buchunga kel kanekin dian ramishale De-Ter Manyang no damandan cerai ran jala do wala kerunwa arai dan wala de ka tandan o kamal ka sa Sudan kana tandan dong de loine de kon ant duriyana ka sa Sudan la political offenen tin kwa mal kwa la de ka te la no ta arai da mai ala pan ka Africa Union tene dial tegaten kan ne de kon la jimal ka dial te lat kamal sa Sudan tegaten cara yang macam alat pan ke cakap opinion o chuangar dene itu degoloin netin buat ke aku anda doktor macam tentayen ke jakel tay marfin no babaloin duliana orang yang macam ni alat pan gua dulu ke Africa Union antam aku video macam alat goro biaya juling biar mencalat biar ling ketogda tay kel kanai.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Manyang. I work with Center for Peace and Advocacy. Center for Peace and Advocacy is a human rights organization based in South Sudan. And I'm here in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, participating in the African Union civil society dialogues on South Sudan. And these meetings bring together leaders from civil society organizations in South Sudan. And also it brings AU staff, especially the African Union panel of WISE and other international partners. You remember when the delegation went to South Sudan, the panel of WISE, when they went to South Sudan, they tried to meet with the stakeholders, include the president, and they attempt, to meet with the first vice president, in which they did not succeed. And this meeting, they wanted to, to understand exactly, the triggers of the conflict in South Sudan, and also what could be the reason behind why. So the South Sudanese leaders are not compromising, are not using political torrent, in order to advance peace. However, and also one of the overall objectives of this meeting is strengthening, the coordination, the networking, the communication between the African Union and the South Sudan civil society organization, because most of the civil society organizations in South Sudan do not understand how AU operates, and this is one of the main important aspects. And also, in addition to that, South Sudan is heading, toward for the election. There's a need for all the stakeholders, to participate in the peace processes, including the political leaders who were detained, and also the civil society organization. They need to engage the leaders, they need to engage the religious leaders, they need to engage the youth, they need to engage also community leaders, on the conflict resolution for the country, our country, South Sudan, to have a peace. And civil society, they play a big role in this country, by advancing and advocating for the promotion and protection of human rights, rule of law, justice, and also peace. You make sure that they need to hold those leaders accountable, those who are trying to divide South Sudan, and those who try to sabotage South Sudan. And also the panel of wires show us, they will continue engaging the South Sudanese leaders so that the everlasting peace achieved in South Sudan.
Jarai jala da namo chila te the long katadun kel kane ka piyamo gora chana lama ka kwa bidian do kono kunegalel kwa ka lak ko jen supported and come ne namo tel supported den a chila te the long jatamal.